What's mahal ko or mahal ako game? What's that? What do you do with that? You tell me a name and then I say if mahal ko or mahal ako. Go! Okay, give me a name. Go. Let's do that. Bro, keep sending stickers. Sige, okay. Beanie members. Okay, I see Colette. Colette. Mahal ko. Kasi I know Colette loves me. Yung parang yung tipong, kahit hindi ko sasabihin sa kanya na love me, ganun, mahalin mo ako. Pero siya yung parang, yung tipong, she loves without getting something in return. So parang, kaya yung sagot ko kay Colette is, mahal ko. So, para I can reciprocate the love that she gives. Even though she doesn't ask for it. Tama ba? Did I do it right? Did it right? Okay. Okay, next one. Huh? Mahal ako dapat. Wait ba? Ano ba? So, if I answer is, example, if I answer mahal ko or mahal ako, mahal ko is parang, mahal ko na I love her, parang ganon, or I want to love her, I want her to love me, ganon. Yung parang, so if mahal ko is mas lamang yung love ko sa kanya? So parang ganun, ayun din, same din. Kaya mahal ko kasi I want to give my love. Kasi I know naman na Colette is that type of person na she gives love. She's mahal ko lahat, ganun type of person. So, you know, she needs a person in her life then who is mahal ko, which is me. I can be her mahal ko to her. Because she is that person. Parang ganun. Yeah. Okay. Next. Joanna. Same. Mahal ko. Kasi ganun din si Jo eh. Parang she is very parang, okay, she's very loving, caring, forgiving, understanding. So, she doesn't think about, okay, if mahal ba niya ako. I don't care. I'll just love her. Parang ganun. So, yun. Okay. Pero paano ko isagot nga kung mahal ako? Mahal ako. Mas mahal ako. Ay, nakakalito. Pero I don't wanna compare kasi sino mas lamang sa love. Parang it's wrong to compare kung sino mas lamang sa pagmamahal. Because love is incomparable. Ba't ba nauso yung game na yan? Wait lang, nalito na tuloy ako. Okay, if sasabihin mong mahal ko, meaning ikaw yung mas mapagmahal? Sige. So parang sila Jo and Colette, mahal ako. Ganon. Ganon, tama ba? Is this right now? Ayun, okay. Okay. So mahal ako. Okay. Okay, next. Okay. Si Maloy. Hala, nalito ako. Sige, basta sagot na lang ako. Basta may word na mahal. Mahal yan. Okay. Mahal ako. Kasi si Maloy din is very, parang showy. Very showy kasi si Maloy eh. Yun. Okay, next. Si Gwenny. Feel ko ito si Gwenny, mahal ko. Kasi she's very precious din. Na parang very baby. I mean, she's very, din naman, clingy. But like, siguro as an ate, yun. Ayun. Hindi naman sa parang talaga si Gwen. Pero kasi mature din naman si Gwen in some aspects. Or mga, di ba, we're all mature but in different aspects. Ganon. But yeah, kasi Gwen is very precious. So parang mahal ko and I'm always the protect Gwen at all cost enthusiast. Okay. Next is Taku. Mahal ko. Yeah. Kasi, mahal ko. Feeling ko sa mga sinasagot ko na mahal ko is yun yung very ako. Very ate instincts ako sa kanila. Yun. Kaya ganun. Yeah. So, sasabihin ko na lang yung mga mahal ko. Si Gwen, si Stacy, si Sheena. Si Mika is, parang salitan eh. Salitan. Because like, there are times na very ako sa kanya, ganun, ate. Pero there are times na parang if ako need ko ng love, parang she's there. Tapos I feel very babied. Parang ganun. Ganun. Kasi siya eh, Mika is the type of person na when I think of Mika, she is the little things in life. Yung tipong little things but it has a big impact. Parang ganun. Na parang secret angel. Parang ganun. It's not basta parang ganun. Yeah. Silent angel. Ganun. Yeah. Kasi so hindi kami super clingy. Kasi I'm not super, as a person din ako, hindi ako super clingy. And then, si Mika hindi din super clingy. So, kaya hindi kami super, alam mo yun, like, showy na, I love, ganun. Pero, if we do, kaya ganun, little things na big thing. Kasi, yung mabigat talaga. Basta, ayun. Cause, ayun, like, example, pag may mga times na hindi ako okay, tapos siya yung makakasense kasi, na parang, hey, are you okay? Parang, ayun. So, yun. Mga times, mga little things. Yeah, acts of service si Mika din. So, ayun. Tapos, nakaka-pick up din kasi siya na parang, okay, I know, parang this person is not okay. Tapos, kaya secret angel is kasi she doesn't have to say it. She shows it agad through actions. Kasi alam niya agad na parang, okay, this person is not feeling great and, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, very empath. Yeah, and I think because, ayun din, baka kasi alam na niya na parang, okay, this is how you are if you're not in your very happy state, ganun.